Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to discuss a very important aspect in the field of construction, okay? It says how to interpret a building foundation cross section, the easy guide. So before we go on, please I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Are you an engineer, a builder, a homeowner? Please, I want you to subscribe. Let me see your likes and your thumbs up, okay? Because I have a lot of information about sites, even drawing, structural drawing, architectural drawing, and so many of them. So please, I want you to subscribe. Thank you very much. So let's get into what we have today. So this area that I'm touching right now is what is known as the laterite, okay? I hope you can see the labeling. It says sand fill well compacted. This is the laterite well compacted. Okay, you have to compact a laterite very well. So after the laterite, what comes next is a thick hardcore filling. So the next thing is the hardcore. Hardcore are those big stones that is being placed on well compacted laterite. I hope you can see it. Okay, this is here hardcore. So after the laterite, well compacted laterite, then the next thing is the hardcore. It says 300 millimeter thick hardcore filling. Hope you can see it. So after the hardcore, the next thing you are seeing is an oversight concrete. Okay, in some places it can just be referred as concrete floor. So this topmost one, I hope you can see it. It's an oversight concrete floor. In some places, some laymen used to call it German floor. Do you understand me? So that is it. So let's get into more details. Okay. So this 100 millimeter, this last place, I just want to let you know that this place is the column base, the footing. Okay. This place is the column base, which is the footing. Do you understand me? So this small one here, 100 millimeter, which is about 4 inches, is the blinding. Okay, you have to blind it before you now place your reinforcement. Okay, your footing reinforcement. Otherwise, they used to call it basket. Do you understand me? So this 100 millimeter will serve as the concrete cover, because you will not just place your reinforcement on the soil. Do you understand me? So you have to blind your column base. Okay, after that you place your reinforcement. So this 300 millimeter, the 300 millimeter is talking about this thickness, okay, which is the thickness of your column base. Okay, the concrete thickness of your column base, you have to cast the reinforced concrete thickness of your column base. You have to cast up to this level. Do you understand me? You should remember that you must have placed your column, okay, on top of your footing, reinforcement footing. So that is it. I hope you can see it. This 300 millimeter is about 1 foot, 1 foot thickness. So that's what this design says about. So I hope you can see it. So after that, this particular one is 225 millimeter hollow sandcrete block. It just is referring to this block work, okay, 9 inches block work. Yeah, this is 9 inches. Do you understand me? So this, what I have shown you, is a cross section of your foundation. Some people may not know it. It's step by step. Are you getting me? This, you should recall that this type of foundation is part foundation. This area I'm talking about, because this place is going to have a column, okay? Of course, this place is a column base. Do you understand me? So this, the type of foundation you are going to witness here, where this column will be placed, is what is known as part foundation. Okay. Then the place that block work will pass through. Okay. The foundation area that block work will pass through, we can be referred or will be referred as strip foundation. Do you understand me? Please, I want you to note the difference. Okay. This is a cross section of a foundation, a building foundation, or a apartment. So, all right, let me throw more light. Okay. So, I've told you before that this place type of foundation is part foundation, and the place that block work we pass with the strip foundation. So you should note, however, that this type of foundation that we normally use here is a combination of part foundation and the strip foundation. Do you understand me? Okay. There's something I want to point out which is not on this drawing. It's called damp-proof membrane. Okay. They used to place it after, possibly after this hardcore, before oversight concrete. Do you understand me? After this hardcore, you place it, the line between the hardcore and the oversight concrete form. Do you understand it? Okay. But it's not shown here. But I just want to let you know is DPM, damp-proof membrane. Damp-proof membrane is just a thin nylon, a thin black nylon. That's what we normally use at this side. Do you understand me? I don't know, maybe because of your location, I don't know the one you normally use. Okay, so that is all about. So thank you very much for watching. Let me see your likes, your thumbs up, and your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.